Hello guys, I'm KristinCena and welcome to another episode of Bellabox Unboxing. This month is special because Bellabox is celebrating their 7th birthday and I got this box from the mail. It comes in this thin carton cover. It usually comes with a thicker one, but I don't know, for this month they gave this. And I usually give out like after third Friday. I unbox this because they start shipping the boxes in the second week. That's why it's kind of late, but I'm trying my best to give the latest box as soon as it arrives. I try to film it. So here is the box. It is in peach color. I get to decide what color it would be as there was an opt-in. There was an option to choose among the 6 colors. I'm so excited to show you guys the hero products for this month, and there were 2 of them. For this month, it is birthday bash. That's their theme. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that this box cost $19.95. Yeah, so almost $20. And of course, you will be receiving 5 products delivered to you each month, and it's available here in Australia and New Zealand. And also you can check their website if your country might be available soon or available right now. So let's start. I saw this in their Instagram products, and the first product that I'm gonna show you to complete my look as well is this Appeal Cosmetics. So they said this is a highlighter drops, and Kim Kardashian and who was it? And Demi Lovato loves this highlighting drops. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is so cute. It comes in this glass bottle. Aside from choosing the color of the box, you also get to choose the color of your bronzer. There's a gold, 24 karat gold, and there's a platinum and also a bronze, and I opted in the gold color. So that's actually too much, I think. So let's try to build this a little because I don't want it to go crazy. And I'm gonna apply on the other side a little bit. It's like a little bit goes a long way. So I'm gonna try to put it with a highlighting brush. Wow, this is so blinding. You have to be careful when you use this. And it gets dry quickly. So I've already applied it on my cheekbones, and here's the result. This is so concentrated, and by the way, I chose this golden color because I have a warm undertone, and the platinum, I'm sure it's for people who have a cool undertone. And this one here is actually a full size, and this product alone cost $40. Like, that's why I get so excited about this, because you know the box cost $19.95 and this is $40, so it's already a great deal. The next item that I'm gonna show you, which is also another hero product for this month, is this Model Rock lashes. Don't get caught lashes. This cost $12, guys, and I have never applied lashes ever. It comes with a glue and this lashes right here. I'm gonna be applying this for the first time, so wish me luck. I didn't know there's this thing right here, so let me just put a little bit of glue. So here's my look with these lashes right here. So did I do all right with my first time? What do you think? I think it's not too bad, and I'm just glad that I don't have to cut it. It's just the right length for my eyes. For the next product we have here, Let's Get Naked. So this is Freeze Fighter. This is for the hair, and it says it is scientifically formulated hair serum that helps smooth, condition, and seal strands. This is in sample size. This is in 20 ml, and if you'd like to get the full size, which is 125 ml, it is $20. So let me try this on my hair right now. On my hair. Whew. It smells good. It smells like citrus. So in my unboxing, as I've told you, I would try to give a first impression and use it as possible, you know, because there are some items that I cannot use right away. So yeah, here it is. We have Whispers facial wipes. Oh, this is not the one. This is the Whispers facial wipes. You just get 2 facial wipes, so it's really just a sample size. So if you want to get the full size, which is 25 pieces, it's for $6. I get here the coconut oil one. So I guess this is great wipes if you want to remove your makeup and not strip off the moisturizer in your skin and the moisture in your skin. And yeah, it just, coconut is good for moisturizing. So this one's alright. I'm not really thrilled about that. For the next item, this is the VU Hydrating Facial Mask Sheet, and lately I have been obsessed with sheet masks because I just feel like it really works. And this one is another thing that I could try on, and I'm just so glad about this because, as I've said, I love facial masks. I mean sheet mask. This retails for $4 and is available at Woolworths. This is a perfect pick-me-up. This facial mask sheet saves dull, lackluster skin with this ultra hydrating formula enriched with witch hazel and aloe vera extract. Every month they give out bonus products, and for this month they gave this OGX Beauty Pure and Simple Argan Oil Morocco Body Wash and Lotion. Here's the body wash and this is the lotion. And yeah, those are the 5+1 bonus item from this month's birthday October box of Bellabox. And for the full sizes, I got $52. I saved like $30 from the box, or $32, and I'm so glad with that. And of course, my favorite among this is the Peel Cosmetics highlighter drops, because you can use this in so many ways. You can actually apply this on your foundation as well if you want it to be illuminating, because this has a bronzing effect and as well as illuminating effect. Forgot to tell you that. By the way, I'm gonna give the October box a 5 out of 5. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you subscribe so that you can see more of Bellabox unboxing. And also I do another unboxing if you like unboxing videos. So please subscribe and like and comment. And also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram. I will put it right here so you can see it. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!